Yeah.
So this is the new Klipsch Reference Signature.
Okay.
So this is a completely new line of home theater speakers. Going to be available later this year. It's a real step up in performance from Reference Premier. So it's a three-way design. So you see the high, medium frequency, and low frequency drivers. Kind of see that low diffraction design for a great clean soundstage. The mid-range and the horn come together for better phase alignment and more point source. So
Talking about this thing.
yeah.
It's kind of like built in. It's like pushing the horn up a little bit.
Correct. Yeah, we combine those for better time alignment. So the sound sounds like it's coming from, one spot, really.
This is a monstrous center.
That's an 8-inch woofer center.
Woofer. Okay. Are you guys making a smaller version?
Yeah, it'll be available in a 6-inch as well.
6 inch.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
What do we got? Like a 18-inch depth on this guy?
Just about. Yeah, just about. So you got that nice wide base on it so that it doesn't tip over. Super solid cabinet. We've got that, horizontal wood grain. So kind of, we can almost kind of visualize like the air and the, audio waves going off the side of it, which is what that low diffraction design is for. Yeah, 8-inch woofers on this one. That'll be available in a 6-inch version as well.
Do you have pricing on any of these? Or no?
Not yet. We'll be releasing that, later this year, but
And these are slated for...
let's call it fall.
Let's call it fall. Okay. So next year, ladies and gentlemen.
Excuse me, this year. This year. Did I say next year? Maybe I'm still stuck at this year, this fall.
This fall.
I might be, haven't celebrated New Year's yet, but yeah.
Okay, you want to talk about the Apollo real quick?
So Project Apollo, whereas, Reference Premier and Reference Signature are all about home theater, Project Apollo is all about music listening, 2-channel audio. So this is going to be available in a monitor speaker like this, as well as a tower. Tower got damaged on the way to the show, so we don't have it. But that tower has 4 8-inch woofers utilizing a custom designed TechStream cone material, which is an advanced carbon fiber composite, the highest performance level possible in terms of 2-channel audio. So similar horn design to Reference Signature with those dual mid-ranges, side firing woofers here.
Oh, okay. Look at that. Does the towers have side firing as well, or no?
The towers are all on the front.
Exponent, when can we hear Apollo? That's the biggest question.
Let's say sometime in 2027. That one will be next year.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we're not even talking about Apollo.
Yeah,
Are we
Apollo.
able to hear this in Exponent or CDO or something like that?
Hopefully CDO.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right.